Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nur Daniel Ikmal bin Muhammad Lazim, matrix number AS11657, and I am from Kuliah 10. So today, I want to present to all of you guys about my physics mini project, which is electrical consumption in my house. So let's start with my home information. Basically, I lived in a terrace house, a single-story terrace house with my family, owned by my parents. Okay, my family consists of 4 adults, which is my dad, my mom, me, and also my younger brother. And as we lived in Peninsular Malaysia, we have to follow the TNB, Tenaga Nasional Berhad Tarif. So, let's go to the analysis of data. First, we have the monthly electrical consumption by 3 consecutive months, which is November 20, December 20, and also January 2020. So, from the chart, we can see that the highest electrical consumption is on November 20. The second highest is on January 2021, and also the lowest is on December 20. And why this is happening, I will explain later in the discussion and also the conclusion why I suggest this consumption happening. Same goes to the electrical consumption per month chart. Here it shows the same shape of chart like the electrical consumption, because as we know, the higher the electrical consumption, then the higher the electrical bill will goes. So you can see the highest electric bill is on November 2020, the second highest is on January 2021, and also the lowest is on December 20. Same goes just like the electrical consumption per month chart. But I think it won't be enough if I just give and present to all of you guys that 2 data, that 2 chart only. So here, I show to you guys the electrical consumption per electrical appliances monthly in each 3 months from November 2020 until January 2021. As you can see, I have listed 8 electrical appliances, which is television, ceiling fan, fluorescent lamp, table fan, refrigerator, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, and also rice cooker. It is obvious, okay guys, that the refrigerator is the electrical appliances with the highest electrical consumption, because as we know, refrigerator is needed to keep our raw materials such as meat, fish, chicken fresh. So in order to keep them fresh, we have to turn them on. We have to turn the refrigerator on 24/7, because without the refrigerator, I don't think that our raw materials can being kept fresh. The second one is rice cooker. The second one is vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let me tell you a story. Basically, my mom usually every day will use the vacuum cleaner to clean the entire of my house. So I don't get weird when the vacuum cleaner also have high electrical consumption in each month, because my mom commonly use the vacuum cleaner, and every day she really use the vacuum cleaner in a long period. And for the lowest electrical appliances which consume the lowest electrical consumption is rice cooker. So actually, my family and I rarely eat rice. No, I don't think so. Actually, my mom rarely use rice cooker to cook rice, because my entire family don't eat that much, and that's why I suggest that the rice cooker has the lowest electrical consumption out of all 8 electrical appliances that I have listed. Next, we have the chart about the consumption per electrical appliances in each part of my house. We have living room, master bedroom, small bedroom 1, small bedroom 2, kitchen, and also toilet. Based on the data in the previous slide, the data about the electrical consumption by each electrical appliances, you can see the kitchen, which is there is refrigerator in the kitchen, has the highest electrical consumption, and also the second one is at the toilet, which is the washing machine. It actually depends on the family members, how much family members do you have. So the higher amount of family members, I would say there is the higher electrical consumption for each of your electrical appliances. But for my family, I would say my family kind of commonly use the washing machine. We literally wear many clothes. And for the lowest electrical consumption is at the living room, where there is television. So actually it kind of weird, because in my house we don't use living room like how any other family use, because our living room is type of boring and also don't have many stuff, and we don't commonly saw or watch the television. So that's why the television is the lowest electrical consumption. The electrical appliances with the lowest electrical consumption, and that's why the living room is the lowest electrical consumption in each part. Now for the suggestion. So there's 3 suggestions I would suggest, which is first, if you want to reduce your electrical consumption, just turn off unnecessary electrical appliances when not in use, cause it is obviously a waste of electric. And then unplug unused high wattage appliances such as rice cooker, washing machine, because when you didn't unplug them, the electrical will keep on working, the electrical will keep on charging, and it will increase your electrical consumption without you realize. And last, set a daily limit of using electrical appliances. I guess this is so good because you can estimate how much your electric bill by setting a daily limit, and with this way you can slowly reduce your electrical consumption in daily basis. Okay, comparison. I compared with my friend. I made sure her reel, and this is it. This is the chart. Actually, my electric bill and electric consumption in my house is very, very huge. We have a very, very huge difference, which is my electric bill is at average of 50 ringgit, 40 to 50 ringgit, while him about a half of thousand, like 500 to 700. So that's why the chart is like this. There is a very huge difference between the electrical bill as well with the consumption, the electrical consumption comparison. So my family, my house usually just consume about 200 kilowatt per hour per monthly, but for Amir's family, they actually used to consume 1,000, more than 1,000 of kilowatt per hour, and you would say that is a very huge difference in electrical consumption and also the electric bill. based on my observation, when I observed my data and also Amer's data, I would say there is two main difference, main comparison that I would highlight that make our data a very huge difference. So the first one is the total hours electrical appliances used, which is my family, my house, just have very little electrical appliances, while Amir's house has much more electrical appliances. So more electrical increase the total hours used. And actually, if you can see my mini project, the comparison, Amir's house has two air conditioner that obviously consume so much electric, while me and my family, we never use air conditioner. We just use table fan or maybe ceiling fan, because it is so much more efficient than air conditioner. Air conditioner is very expensive. And also the amount of family members, which is obviously Amir's family consists of 6 family members and my family consists of 4 family members. And logically, more family members, more electrical appliances usage. So the last session, okay, the discussion session. So in this session, I will explain to you guys about why my house data, my house electrical consumption, and also my house electric bill being that way. How there is an increase and also a decrease in electrical consumption from the 3 consecutive months. So for November 2020, me and also my younger brother is having holiday. So the house is full with family members, and from this situation, you could say, and the more electrical consumption from more electrical appliances used, obviously, because when I am at home, when my younger brother at home, it is obviously there's 4 adults, there's more members in the house, so that more usage of electrical appliance. Okay, and how there is a drastically decrease in December 2020 is because my brother and I are having holiday, so we are free from online learning. Okay, why it decreased? Because we don't use our gadgets like tablets and laptops for online learning. Okay, so low electrical consumption from charging gadgets such as laptop and tablet, because we don't use tablet and laptop, so we don't need to charge them. That's why our electrical consumption decreased. And for the January 2021, there is a slightly increase. I don't want to say slight, it quite a huge difference, a huge increase from the previous month, which is December 2021. So this happening, okay, the increase happened because of the online learning that has started, and we have to start to use more gadgets again like we used to. So we got to switch multiple devices multiple times because of when you use laptop and also tablet, the tablet and also the laptop will lack of battery, then you have to charge it, and then you have to switch to your phone, and then when your phone lack of battery, you have to switch your gadgets or devices multiple times, so that thus the electrical consumption will increase. So that's for the discussion. For the conclusion, actually there's many factors that affecting the increasing and also the decreasing, okay, affecting the electrical consumption of a family, of a house. So how we can reduce it, I have suggest the way to suggest it, and actually it depends on how you can manage your electrical appliances usage so that you would consume less electricity. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum, bye.